according to analogy with present carnivores, we consumed more or less over 70% of our calories from animals. And I don't know if there's 30%, but that probably changed from one place to another, depending on the season and ecology. But we did eat plants, no question. By the way, these are plants that you will never find in a supermarket today. So you find the meat is not very different. But if you go to a supermarket today, you don't find anything that resembles Paleolithic food, apart from, by the way, honey. And the honey is another story, this honey. Okay, you go to the Hadza and you see that they eat a lot of honey, but like we said, there is not much honey when elephants are around. Because they kill the trees that the bees that produce a lot of honey live in.
And people can see a video of me collecting this honey with the Hadza on my Instagram. I went with them into the bush outside of their camp, and we found a number of different sources of honey. They have honey from a stingless bee, which they call kanoa, and they sometimes get honey from bees that sting, which is a little different. And the stingless bees are the ones that occur in the baobab tree, and they would find these little sort of wax straws that the bees use as an entrance to the inside of the baobab tree, and they would see these, and then we could chop into the tree with an axe and get all of this honey from these stingless bees. And then they would actually make stakes and climb the baobab tree to look for more of this honey. But as you're saying, when the elephants were on the plains, there may have been a different interaction between the animals, and there may have been less baobab trees, so perhaps there was less of this honey. But it's clearly something that's always been treasured by humans as an energetically favorable food.